Hello friends, welcome to VEDA Ganita. Now we will do a question on percentage. Raman's salary was decreased by 50%. I am giving you the question, friends. Raman's salary was decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50% again. Increased by 50% again. How much percent does he lose or gain? How much percent does he loss or gain? Raman's salary was decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50%. How much percent does he loss or gain? To solve this question, I would suggest take the salary as 100 or 1000, which will be convenient for you. Let us take the salary as 100. As the Raman's salary was increased by 50%, it becomes 50 after decreasing 100 rupees if the salary is 100.